Hello, this is Patrick, and welcome to another Cybertruck accessory review video. I wanted to show you these really cool little tow hook covers, and they're very inexpensive, but they just kind of add a little bit of flair to the Cybertruck. And if you want to use my code below, you'll save some pretty good money. I think they look pretty good, and they add a little extra protection if you're wanting to keep them safe, I guess. Let me know what you think in the comments below. We'll see you guys again very soon. But don't forget to use my code to save some money. Talk to you again later. Thanks. Bye.